if you are adding YouTube search tags in your description, then you are doing it wrong and YouTube will delete your video. Yes, you can just search. It is against YouTube policy to stack tags. You cannot stack tags inside YouTube description to rank, okay? So it is illegal, it is against the policy and YouTube might delete your video. So don't do that. You are doing it wrong. If you want first 10,000 views on your first video, then this video is definitely for you. So don't worry, in this video I'll share 3 techniques that you can perform on your YouTube video so you can get the initial push, the initial 10,000 views on your YouTube channel. So basically this video is all about people who want to get first 10,000 views on their YouTube channel and who want to push their YouTube channel to the next level. So basically I've divided this video into 3 parts. First one is backlink generation. I'll guide you YouTube's internal method and external backlinking method. Second thing, we will learn how to do SEO, that is search engine optimization. So websites like Google and Yahoo search, they can discover your video and they can provide your video in the result, and even AI can search your video. So how to use SEO to boom up your video. And the third most important thing is the RCS algorithm. You can use this algorithm to grow on YouTube, and most social media influencers don't even know what is RCS method. So without wasting time, let's start with the video. After the intro, let's learn how you can boom and get the first initial 10,000 views on your YouTube channel. Without wasting time, let's go. Do you want this? Yes, it's a silver play button and you can have it. Yes, you can get your own YouTube silver play button. How? On this channel I share YouTube diet, a diet for your YouTube channel which can help you grow on YouTube. So without wasting time, let's start with the video. If you are a YouTuber, it is really hard to boom on YouTube if you don't have an initial audience. Yes, same thing happened with me. And if you have a new channel, you don't have that much subscribers or that much fan base to share your video and to grow initially. So initial 10,000 views are really important, and it is really hard to get those 10,000 views initially. So in this video, I have divided this video into 3 parts, and I'll be sharing 3 techniques that you can use to grow your YouTube channel. So if you want to jump from first technique to the second one, all the details, timestamps are given in the description. Without wasting time, let's start with the first technique. First technique is backlink generation. Now what is backlink? Websites like Google search or Yahoo search, they have a crawler. A crawler is basically a software that crawls all the links on your website. So let's take an example. If your website A has 10 links, then a crawler will come to your website and he will go on all the 10 links and add the 10 links in the search results. Now over here, initially to come to the website A, they need a website who can refer your website. So this basically works on referral basis. If you refer one website and the crawler comes to the website, all the links on the website are basically scanned. So if you want to know more about the crawler, I'll be giving a link in the description. You can go and read the article below in the description. So now how to get the backlink for first initial videos. So there are 2 methods to get backlink. One is YouTube's internal method. Second is external backlinks. Now YouTube's internal backlinks come when you add tags to your videos and when you add your videos in the description. That is the internal method. Now let's move on to the external backlink generation. There are websites like YouTube, they basically copy YouTube's video on their website. Now this is against YouTube policy, but you can generate backlinks. So what you need to do is you just need to Google YouTube backlink generator. You have to click on the first link, add your YouTube link and click on generate. This will basically create new backlinks for your videos. Okay, so this is how you can do the external backlink generation. Now in external backlink generation, the best backlinks are from Facebook, LinkedIn and all these high rating websites. Now what I would suggest you to share your video on Facebook, you need to create a page and you need to share your video on Facebook, write a bit about your video, what is inside the video, and share the link on Facebook. Now the most important thing to generate backlink is LinkedIn. Now LinkedIn is really great platform to share your videos. What you need to do is create your account on LinkedIn, then click on write an article. Over there you need to add the thumbnail and an article on which you have created a video. And what I personally do is click on embed and add my video. Now what this does, it creates a LinkedIn backlink of my YouTube video, and LinkedIn will be up in the search results. Okay, so this is how you can create backlinks. So 3 methods as I told you to create backlink. First is internal backlinks, external backlinks with other website, and social media backlinks like Facebook and LinkedIn. Now let's move on to the second technique, that is SEO. Now most social media influencers knows what is SEO. SEO basically stands for search engine optimization. It is a technique. SEO is a technique of optimizing your videos for search engines like Google and Yahoo. So there is something known as metadata. Metadata is the data that is initially sent to the crawler, to the search engines. Now these metadata contain tags on which you need to rank your videos. Now, what you need to do is you need to optimize your videos for SEO, for search engines to rank your video up in the search results. Now how you can do that? You only have 3 things that can be used to optimize your video to do SEO of your YouTube channel. How to conduct a proper SEO for your YouTube videos, how to optimize your YouTube videos for better ranking on search engines like Google and Yahoo. First thing is tags. So what you need to do is you just need to Google rapid tags and enter the search term that you want to rank your website for, and once you click on search, rapid tags will provide you a list of tags that can be used for your videos. Just add those tags in the tag section of the video. Now let's move on to the title. Title should contain the first tag that you are searching for. Let's take an example. If I'm creating a video on YouTube SEO, I'll use the term YouTube SEO in the title. So this is really important. Just use the first tag that rapid tag provided you. Just copy the tag and create the title around the tag. Now the third thing is description. Yes, you need to optimize the video and the video description for the same. So what I personally do is copy all the tags that are in the rapid tags website and create a description around it. Now if you are doing this, then you are doing it wrong, and YouTube will delete your video if you stack tags inside YouTube description. Tag stacking is against YouTube policy. If you are adding YouTube search tags in your description, then you are doing it wrong and YouTube will delete your video. Yes, you can just search. It is against YouTube policy to stack tags. You cannot stack tags inside YouTube description to rank. Okay, so it is illegal, it is against the policy, and YouTube might delete your video, so don't do that. Now let's move on to the third and the most important thing that most social media influencer don't even know, that is RCS. RCS stands for research, create, and S stands for split test. Okay, so first one is research. Now you need to do a bit of research. I've created multiple videos on what is CTR, click-through rate, impressions. You already know how to analyze YouTube analytics if you are continuously watching all my videos on YouTube. So what is R? R stands for research. You need to do a research. What is the CTR of your current thumbnail? How many people are clicking on it? Is it clickbait? Is it enough to grow on YouTube? So you need to research and you need to play around with the analytics. You need to take a look at watch time, CTR, and impressions. These 3 things are really important YouTube analytics that you should watch if you have a YouTube channel. So now let's move on to the second, RCS. R is research, C is create. Now you need to create a new thumbnail. If you want to change the thumbnail, you can change it. Then the last one is split test. Now S stands for split test. Split test basically means you can split 2 thumbnails and you can test it. Now websites like TrueBuddy give you an option to test 2 thumbnails. There is one more website called thumbnailtest.com. You can use the website. Personally, what I do is I go to a website called thumbnailpreview.com. I upload 2 thumbnails and I personally check it with my friends which thumbnail is better. So I basically use the best thumbnail that my friends tell me to use. So this is how you can play if you have a new YouTube channel, if you already have that initial base subscribers, and if you already have a YouTube channel, you are making money on YouTube, then you can use various websites, and even in fact YouTube gives you an opportunity to upload 3 thumbnails. So this is how you need to perform, and this is how RCS algorithm works. So in this video I shared 3 techniques that can be used to get initial 10,000 views on your YouTube channel and to grow on YouTube. If you have any other questions, you can leave them down in the comment section. By the way, WhatsApp details, Telegram channel, all the details are given in the description. So if you want to grow with me, then please check the description and join our community. Without wasting time, let's end the video over here. Thanks a lot if you watched the video till here. Thumbs up for your YouTube channel. All the best, guys.